Hello everybody. Today is going to be patio opening part 3. I'm going to be testing the lights. I will come back when it's dark and the solar lights come on. We'll assess what needs repair and what's working fine. And I'll include these over here. I think this one's dead. See, that looks pretty crusty to me. And there are those bottom two arrays. And we got these on the poles. This lantern here. And this one way down here on the south end of the yard. We'll take a look at these solar panels. May have to do the rolling TARDIS hack again on them. None are coming on yet, but that'll be changing pretty soon. But we can look at the bug zapper. It's a 1990 Bug Fighter. OEM is Flowtron. Looks like that's working fine. May have to take it down and give it a little cleaning. And then I have this one here. So we'll get everything going. Get these two lights going under here. We have our first light up. That one's working fine. Waiting on that one. I would expect some of these on this side to start coming up pretty soon. While we're waiting on some of those, let's turn on the Texaco sign. Looks like that's working perfectly. That thing's now 29 years old. We'll check this light here. Not a problem with that. I will go in more depth about this light bulb at a later time. Let's see if the fan light fixtures will work. That one's good. And number 2 is good as well. Part 4 will be cleaning the fans and checking the functions of them, by the way. Alright, one of the lights has come on the post. That lights up the Red Baron plane. I believe these are dead. I've had these 8, 9, maybe 10 years now. They just had enough. Alright, the second one came on. So both of those are working. Now I've got that one on. Which this lights up this area pretty well. That's been working absolutely flawless. And the first lantern has come on. This lantern has come on as well. This one doesn't seem to be quite as bright as it could be, so I may have to swap out the battery or something like that. We'll see. Hopefully something simple. And good to see this one's on, as well as this one over here. I need to take the glass out and clean it. And this one here, I believe it has a little bit of a flaky connection. It's working good now, but I've seen it flicker a little bit here and there. And that one is on, so that's great. I'm liking it so far. Not too much work to do. It looks like these two are going to be last today. Now that light has come on that pole. And as I was walking over here, this one came on. So now, waiting on this one. Well, the lantern in the windmill came on. The flame has come on. I've had that, well, 3 or 4 years now. I don't remember how long, but it's been there a little while. So it looks like we got some work to do here. That's no big deal. Well, here are my replacement lights. Got two like this, and then just another one of these to replace this one. This one got full of water, so that's what burned that one out. And then here are my new lights on the little tower thing we have out here. All back in good shape again. Now let's turn on my wall pack. We're coming up to full brightness now. That is an awesome light. Take one final look at everything lit up. There's that pole light, the lantern in the windmill, the Texaco sign, this with a planet in the background. It might be Venus, not 100% sure. The pole with the decorative pieces on it. There's a look at the patio. Pardon the mess, I still have my frost blankets out because I ain't quite out of the woods yet on the frosts. I expect at least one more. So as you can see, this is very well lit at night. Bug zapper's looking great. And here's what this metal halide wall pack looks like at full brightness. So we'll go ahead and turn it off. And we'll check out the afterglow on it. There you go. There you have it. Still glowing. Well, now we can come into the backyard. I got all the lights on. Everybody would be able to see clearly. There's this little back porch light. Looking awesome. We're well on our way to patio opening now. That metal halide is so bright it cut that solar panel off. Let's try entering from this side of the backyard. Oh, there's my 200 watt light bulb that I got about a year ago. And you can see that pole light. So if guests wanted to enter this way, that would be completely fine as well. So here's an overall look at everything. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm very pleased with this. And here's the dead lights I took out of service. These are just about shot. And here's just a quick look with nothing but the solar lights on. This one here just had a dirty switch and it's back up to full brightness. Beautiful. Perfect, perfect. Very happy with it. And once again, this is Patio Opening 2023 Part 3. Thank you for watching.